Welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and today's video I'm going to show you on how to create zip file folder in Windows 11 laptop. So let's see. All right, so the very first thing you want to do is to create file folder. And for you to create a file folder, what you need to do is to come to the window environment, right click on it, and this is going to pop up. Simply scroll down right here and go to new. Then from new, go to folder, just like so. Then you can simply rename the folder. You can call it anything you like, example 1, enter. Now, this particular folder here, we need to drag some file into this folder. And for us to do that, we can simply click on each of the file we want to drag, and then press Ctrl key on our keyboard. We can select as many as possible files into the folder. Having selected the file, then I'm going to simply drag this way, and I will drag it into the folder, just like so. Then we have everything right here. If I open up this particular example 1 folder, you see all the 3 files that was dragged into the folder. Now let's see how we compress this file to zip. And for us to do that, what we need to do is to simply go back to the file, then select on the file, right click on it, and you have this variety option. Next thing you need to do is to simply go to send to. Then come down below right here, select compress zip folder. Simply click on that. In a few seconds, it's going to compress the file, and you have your zip folder right here. And here we go. So this is the zip folder right here. As you can see from the screen right here, I just drag it from that side, so you can see it right here. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to create zip file folder on Windows 11 laptop without any stress. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.